Think of a home where winter's crisp elegance dances with autumn's muted warmth. A space that exudes quiet sophistication. Today we see how soft autumn meets winter through the frosted juniper palette. This palette brings the stillness of frosted evergreens and misty mornings indoors, blending icy greens and hushed grays into a harmony that feels both fresh and forever green. Our first hue is Mist Fern, like the first brush of frost on morning leaves. It lends a hint of nature to cabinetry or countertops. It's a shade that softens sharp edges, turning functional spaces into tranquil retreats. Frost Drift is the light of winter air in your home. It's a barely there hue that opens rooms to the light. On walls, it cradles light. In ceramics, it mirrors the quiet elegance of frosted branches. Our last color is Glacial Moss. It's deep yet delicate, like moss beneath a veil of snow. It grounds the palette, inviting the richness of the natural world into upholstery, tiles, or textiles. This is the appeal of the frosted juniper palette, a symphony of tones that transforms the home into a haven where seasons merge, crisp, organic, effortlessly refined. Which of this trio is your favorite? Let me know below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and download this and other free PDF palettes on my site. Just click the link in the description below. Until next time, season your home with seasonal colors.